Hi, everyone, and thanks for joining us to learn about your upcoming Wolf Trap residency. My name is Melissa McDaniel, and with me is Ashton Schaefer. We are the program coordinators for Wolf Trap's Virginia statewide program. Let's talk a little bit about Wolf Trap Institute and the work that we do.
Absolutely. So the Wolf Trap Institute was founded in 1981 through a grant from the Head Start Bureau. And since then, we have been able to offer arts integrated residencies throughout the country. Now, arts integration is a seamless blending of the content and skills of a performance art form with those of another curricular subject. Now, you will work with our Wolf Trap teaching artist to create customized residencies that blend to your interests and your curricular goals. Now, the goal of this program is twofold: to provide rich, joyful, active learning experiences in the performing arts for young children, and to provide you as educators with the tools and strategies for using the arts to support the curricular goals and skills you have for your students. Now, the residency is meant to give you strategies and techniques that you can add to your teaching toolbox long after Wolf Trap has left your classroom.
Thanks, Ashton. Can you tell me a little bit about who the teaching artists are?
Absolutely. So each Wolf Trap teaching artist is a professional performing artist in the discipline of music, dance, drama, and puppetry. And they all undergo specialized training with early childhood educators and Wolf Trap master teaching artists and trainers. Each teaching artist comes to you ready to consider your particular needs.
Now, what is a 5-session residency and how does it work?
So during the residency week, a teaching artist will work with you in your classroom for 30 minutes each day, Monday through Friday. Now, each session is based on a lesson plan created by the teaching artist that reflects the professional development goals of you, the classroom teacher. The teaching artist will partner with you from the very first session so that you're playing an active role in the experiences planned for your students. Your role in sharing arts integrated strategies will build throughout the week until you are taking the lead in your own co-planned arts experiences. The teaching artist will be alongside you to provide you with support and coaching the whole way. Now, each day will also include a 10 to 15 minute debrief where you'll meet with the teaching artist either individually or as a group with the other teachers from your schools. Now, this debrief is going to allow you to work with your teaching artist and connect and check in about your needs, provide feedback, and discuss future classes so that you can fine tune your work together.
That sounds like it's going to take a lot of planning. How do we actually plan for the residency?
Well, the main thing we need from you is communication. Now, we try not to overload you with a whole bunch of emails, but we'll ask you to give us some options for when we can schedule a virtual planning meeting with your teaching artist and Wolf Trap coordinator. We'll also ask you to fill out a classroom profile online, which gives your teaching artist valuable information for planning your residency. We'll also ask you to attend that planning meeting where you'll get to meet with your teaching artist and discuss the goals for your residency. We'll talk about what curriculum areas that you're scheduled to cover during the residency that week, what books might be a good fit for your classroom, and any other information you want to share. Your teaching artist will describe their art form, either dance, music, drama, puppetry, and after that planning meeting is done, the teaching artist is going to create and send you a lesson plan ahead of the residency week so you know exactly what to expect. Now, our teaching artists will bring everything that they need for the residency, and they might even leave you with a gift or two.
Everybody likes a gift or two.
Mhm.
How do we schedule the 30-minute residency session?
During the planning meeting, we will work together to create a daily schedule that works for everyone. Now, the teaching artist can work in up to 5 classrooms during the school day. We'll share the schedule with you online, so you'll be able to access it and update it if any changes are needed.
It sounds like a really great week. What happens when the residency is over?
Once the residency is finished, we are going to send you a short follow-up survey about your experience. Now, you and any other educators, like teaching assistants or paraprofessionals who participated and filled out the survey, will all receive a certificate for 5 hours of professional development. And then you're ready to put your newfound arts integration skills to work. But in the meantime, we encourage you to join us at our website for more information and more classroom resources that you can use in your room. Now, this includes lesson plans, videos, and great activities that you can use to begin integrating the arts into your curriculum.
Thanks so much, Ashton. We can't wait to work with all of you. Please reach out to your Wolf Trap coordinator or email education@wolftrap.org at any time.